Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to prepare a different kind of chart and graphs with the help of Tableau. So once you open the Tableau software, this kind of window is available, and what we have to do, you have to click on this Microsoft Excel and select the desired file for which you are using to use in preparation of chart and graphs. So I am using the file. This is named as New Global Superstore 2016, which is available in the Tableau software itself. So click on this file and open the same. So the next window which is available seems like this, in which there are different kind of options available at the left hand side. On the left hand side you can find a different sheets which is available in the Excel. So here three sheets are there: orders, people and return. So we have to drag the desired sheet which you are using to preparation the chart and graphs. So you select the order and drag this order and drop into this particular area. So once you drop in this area, it takes few seconds to install in Tableau interface. And once it's installed, it seems like this. You can find the various features of this Excel sheet. And simultaneously, at the left hand side, the sheet 1 is converted into the red color and it indicate go to the worksheet. So once you click on this, the next step you can find this peculiar interface of the Tableau, in which the left hand side it is called data pane. So this area that consists of various variables which are the part of Microsoft Excel of or our parent sheet, and the middle area it is called marks card, which are used to make the desired illustration in the chart and graphs. The middle portion, this biggest one, it is called canvas, and upper this one is column and rows. So friends, first we are going to prepare the simple bar chart. So in the simple bar chart, we need a two variable. One is numeric in nature and second one is different categorical in nature. So I pick the sales and the segment. So I pick the sales here, drag this one and drop into this rows area. And second, I pick the segment and drop into the column areas. So once I drop these two variables, a simple bar chart appears and you can see in this canvas area. Next step, friends, what we have to do, you have to indicate a particular label on that particular bars. So for that, we have to go to the marks area and click on this label. So once you click on this label, select this show mark label, and then you can find a particular labeling with respect to the each bar. So you can see that the highest sale belongs to this consumer and lowest sale belongs to the home office. Next, some of the you can use some of the more options in the label. Now you can change the font type and font size of this labeling. Let's say you can increase this one, and you can change its style also, like this. You can change its style also, you can change the color also. So suppose you select this blue color, so it seems like blue, it seems like gray, black, like this. So you can change the font type and font size of the labeling. Similarly, you can use more options such as this is alignment. So alignment, it is horizontal and direction. So it, if you can select this one, this is middle, this is left hand side, this is center align, and this is the right aligned. Similarly, you can use this one automatic. So in this automatic, if it is in the down position, it is in the middle of the bar like this. And if you select this one, this is at upper side. So this is the way in which you can make a various illustration of the labels. Similarly, you can, if you find out one selected categories like minimum and maximum, you want to illustrate only the minimum value on the bar. So just select this one, only the minimum value appears related to that bar. And similarly, if you select the maximum, only the maximum value appears. So we select all the values. So in this way you can prepare a simple bar chart with having all the values. Now the second option is we want to create the cluster bar chart. So the cluster bar chart, we need one more variable, so that I select the second variable is market. So what we have to do, you have to drag and drop into this area. So once you drop this area, this kind of bars are available. And now you have to go to the use the area which is reflecting as a show me. So in the show me, you can find this simple bar chart, staked bar chart, and cluster bar chart. So if you click on the cluster bar chart, different clusters are formed. So in this way, the different clusters. So this is the one cluster, second cluster, and third cluster. So these clusters are made up from different market. So like this is first cluster made up from different market, belongs to the consumer category. The second cluster belongs to the corporate, and third cluster belongs to the home office. Again, you can use the show label mark and you can find a different labeling with respect to the sales. Now, this is cluster bar chart and you can make one more illustration, one more alteration in cluster bar chart. Suppose if I transfer segments behind this market, so let's see what happened. Now, again, it is cluster bar chart, but now this time the cluster are made from the different segments. So this is a one cluster, this is second cluster, third cluster, and fourth cluster with respect to the each market. So previously the cluster was formed for a different market, and now this time the cluster is made from a different segment. So in this way you can create the cluster bar chart. And similarly you can create the stacked bar chart. So if you click on this option, you can find the chart which is related to the staked bar chart. Again, use the label and show labeling. So this is the staked bar chart. So in this way, friends, you can create the simple bar chart, cluster bar chart, and staked bar chart. So again, I go back to the simple simple bar chart. This is our simple bar chart, and I'm again using only the segment. So I drop market here. This is the first one, simple bar chart. Now I'm using the another function which is available in the marks card, that is called your automatic option. So once you click on the automatic option, various drop down list is available. And if you select the line chart, that is converted into the line chart. If you select the area chart, that is converted into the area chart. So in this way, friends, you can prepare a one very basic simple bar chart, cluster bar chart, and stacked bar chart with the help of Tableau. And in the next video, we are going to discuss some more advanced chart like geographical chart and your tree map and histogram and other kind of the chart categories. So thank you so much.